In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Lark support. If you're stuck on something in Lark or just want quick guidance, reaching support through the Help Center is the fastest, most reliable path. I'll walk you through the entire flow, add context so you know what to expect, and share a few tips to make the conversation smooth. Start by opening the Lark Help Center. Use any web browser you like. In the address bar or your preferred search engine, look up the Lark Help Center and open the official page. Give the page a moment to load. This hub includes guides, FAQs, and that all-important chat entry point we'll use to talk with support. Having a stable internet connection helps the chat load quickly, so if things seem slow, let the page fully finish loading before you proceed. Once you're on the Help Center, look to the bottom right corner of the screen for a blue chat icon. It usually appears as a floating bubble. Click that blue icon. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little or briefly resize your window. Sometimes display settings or content blockers hide floating buttons. You can also refresh the page if needed. Just be sure any unsaved work elsewhere is safe before you do. After you click the blue icon, a small chat window opens. This starts your chat with the support bot. Type a short, clear description of what you need help with. Keep it specific. Mention the feature or action you're working on, and what's not behaving as expected. Simple phrases work best, like issue with notifications or trouble sending a file. The bot is designed to understand common keywords and quickly route you to the right resources. Follow the prompts in the chat. The bot may ask clarifying questions, suggest helpful articles, or guide you through basic troubleshooting. Read each message carefully and respond directly to what it asks. If you're shown an article, skim it for the exact steps that match your situation, and return to the chat to confirm whether it helped. In many cases, if the bot can't resolve the issue, it will guide you to the next appropriate option within the same chat window. Keep the chat open until you reach a clear resolution, and avoid closing the page so your conversation isn't interrupted. And that's it. Open the Help Center, click the blue chat icon, start the chat, and follow the prompts. With these steps, you'll connect with Lark support quickly and get back to work with confidence.